So we'll study today the homogeneous differential equation. So look at here. So homogeneous differential equation. The equation is said to be homogeneous differential equation if f of xy equals to lambda to the power n fxy, where x equals to lambda xy, lambda x, y equals to lambda y. What is this? This definition we can understand if we take one example here. Suppose your fxy function of two variables 2x plus 3y. Okay, then f of lambda x lambda y means you are putting x equals to lambda x, y is equal to lambda y. Then this will be 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y. So if I take lambda common, 2x plus 3y, lambda means power 1. So f can be any number, 0, 1, 2, any power it can be. So here is 1. That means it is lambda 1 fxy. So f of xy should be lambda x to the power n. I think I should write here lambda x lambda y. Okay. Now this is homogeneous differential equation. Take one more question. Suppose f of xy equals to cos y by x plus y by x. So put x equals to lambda x, y equals to lambda y. We'll put in this. So what are you getting? You are getting f of lambda x lambda y cos lambda y by lambda x plus lambda y by lambda x. Got the point? Then this lambda is cancelled, so you get cos y by x plus y by x. That means there is no lambda, means you can write lambda to the power 0. Okay, then this is what? This is your fxy. So f of xy. That means if lambda f of lambda xy becomes lambda into fxy, then this is called homogeneous differential equation. Then which one is not homogeneous differential equation? Third one, f of xy is sin x plus cos y. Then x equals to lambda x, y equals to lambda y, you have to put. If you put, what do you get? Lambda x lambda y sin lambda x plus sin cos lambda y. So lambda cannot be taken here. That is, this is not equal to lambda to the power n f of xy, because you cannot take lambda from here, it will remain there. So not homogeneous differential equation. So if you are asked to prove whether the equation is homogeneous or not, this is the method. But how to know an equation is homogeneous? Second method is there. The equation is homogeneous differential equation if each term is y by x form. Example, dy by dx, y by x plus cos y by x. So each term we are finding the form of y by x, or degree of each term is same, that is x square plus xy dx, y square plus xy dy. This is also homogeneous differential equation because the degree of each term is 2. We raised to 1 plus 1 2, 2 1 plus 1 2. So this is also another way of knowing the equation is homogeneous differential equation. So what is the method of solution? So method of solution, for homogeneous differential equation, which method? So how do you proceed? First is put y equals to vx, then find dy by dx, ddx of vx, both are functions here. So dy by dx equals to v into 1 plus x dv by dx. So compare dy by dx with the question given. And then solve. Okay? Let's take one question there. Let's start. Suppose, let me take the first question. Show that the given equation is homogeneous differential equation and then prove. X square plus xy dy equals to x square plus y square dx. See, first to know it is homogeneous differential equation, look at degree same. 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2. Okay? But to show it is, this is just to know that it is differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Then what you have to do is find dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to, what do you get? X square plus y square by x square plus xy. That's right. So that it is homogeneous differential equation, so means your fxy equals to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. Now what you have to do? F of lambda x, lambda y. X will be changed to lambda x, y will be changed to lambda y. Then you will find lambda x square, lambda y square, lambda x square, lambda x, lambda y. So you can see lambda square common. This is x square plus y square. Here is also lambda square common. This is x square plus xy. This is cancelled. So what did you get? So it is giving you f lambda x lambda y. Lambda is vanished. Lambda vanished means you write lambda to the power 0. Then what is left out? X square plus y square by x square plus xy, which is your fxy. So it is homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Now to solve this is your first equation. Method of solution. Method of solution means now your dy by dx is this. You have to put y equals to vx. You are going to put y equals to vx. So what is dy by dx? Product rule. First function derivative of second 1, second function derivative of first dv by dx. I have written there compare to your question, compare to this one. So remove dy by dx from here. So comparing 1 and 2. What did you find? This is dy by dx gone. So v plus x dv by dx this is x square plus y square by x square plus xy. But what is y now? You would put y is equal to vx. So this gives you v plus x dv by dx. This is x square plus v square x square, because your y is equal to vx. So x square common implies v plus x dv by dx, x square common 1 plus v square. Here is also x square common 1 plus v. Now this is cancelled. Let's take this v to that side. V will be together. So v is together means implies x dv by dx 1 plus v square by 1 plus v minus v. So implies x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square minus minus v square. Cancel. Now dv and dx you have to separate. So we are getting here x dv by dx equals to 1 minus v by 1 plus v. So how will you do the separation? This will go here, this will go here. That means when this one comes this side, it will be reciprocal from 1 plus v by 1 minus v with dv. This will go here, dx by x. Now you can integrate it. How to integrate this one? Degree of numerator equals to degree of denominator. Divide it. Divide means 1 plus v you divide with 1 minus v. So put minus 1. This is 2. So quotient plus remainder by divisor. We have done in the partial fraction. So that will be 2 minus 1 plus 2 by 1 minus v dv equals to log x. Then this is minus v plus 2 into 1 by 1 minus v का integration log 1 minus v, but you have to divide 1 minus v का derivative you have to divide, it is minus 1 equals to log x plus a constant c. So it is minus v minus 2 into log 1 minus v equals to log x plus c. So y equals to vx means v equals to y by x. V is equal to y by x. So minus v is y by x minus 2 log 1 minus y by x equals to log x plus x. You can leave it like this, doesn't matter. But if you can find 2 more steps, but even then it is okay. You can solve like this. So see another question. Say x minus y dy, or I'll take a different one. Question number 4 I'll take. X square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equals to 0. So let's find what is dy by dx. dy by or x square minus y square dx equals to minus 2xy dy. dy by dx. dy by dx. This will come down. X square minus y square by minus 2xy. How to prove homogeneous differential equation? Now take fxy equals to x square minus y square by minus 2xy. So what is f of lambda x, lambda y? Now lambda x whole square minus lambda y whole square by minus 2 lambda x lambda y. So what did you get? Implies f of lambda x lambda y, lambda square common, x square minus y square by lambda square, so lambda and lambda here, minus 2xy. This is cancelled, so it is lambda to the power 0 no lambda. This is nothing but your fxy. So it is homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Now how to solve? Solving of this equation number 1. So now dy by dx is this. This is your equation number 1. So put y equals to dx. So dy by dx v into 1 plus x dv by dx. Equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. What do you get? You will find v plus x dv by dx equals to x square minus y square by minus 2x square. Comparison, this is come, so this part equals to this part. Now y is equal to vx output here. Y equals to vx implies v plus x dv by dx x square minus v square x square by minus 2x into vx. So that is x square common 1 minus v square by x square into minus 2v. This is cancelled. V plus x dv by dx. Okay, take this v to that side. What will you get? So x dv by dx 1 minus v square by minus 2v minus v square. X dv by dx 1 minus v square, so minus v, minus minus plus 2v square by 2v. So x dv by dx 1 plus v square by 2v. Now this will come this side. So what will you get? 2v by 1 plus v square dv. When this will come this side, it will be reciprocal. dv is here. This will go that side. dx by x. Integration. इसका derivative is here. Directly log. Log of 1 plus v square. This is log of x. Since both are log, the constant will be also log c. This is what you have to notice. Okay? Log c now. Then log 1 plus v square equals to log cx. So implies 1 plus v square equals to cx. So y equals to vx means v is equal to y by x. So this is 1 plus y square by x square equals to cx. Implies x square plus y square by x square equals to cx. Implies x square plus y square equals to cx cube. This is the solution. Okay, let's continue. A different pattern question. Now it's up to you. If you know integration, you can do it very nicely. Let me go to question number 7. X cos y by x plus y sin y by x whole into y dx equals to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x whole into x dy. Okay, looks very complicated. This is a very simple question. First you find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Look, dy by dx, this will come down, means this term will go below this, means x cos y by x plus y sin y by x whole into y, because this y is there, this will come down, divided by y sin y by x minus x cos y by x whole into x. So how to verify? This is your equation number 1. Verification how will you do? Now f of lambda x lambda y, that will be lambda x cos lambda x by lambda y by lambda x. Verification you are doing, plus y lambda y sin lambda y by lambda x whole into y, means lambda y, divided by lambda y sin lambda y by lambda x minus lambda x cos lambda y by lambda x. This lambda is cancelled here. Okay, then look at, this is also gone, this is also gone, so lambda is common again here. Similarly lambda gone here, lambda gone here, again lambda is common here. You have to watch it very carefully. So if you take lambda common, x cos y by x, y plus y sin y by x whole into x by lambda common, y sin y by x minus x cos y by x. This is y, sorry. This is y, this is x. Lambda cancelled, lambda to the power 0. Now this is your function, that is fxy. So homogeneous differential equation. We proved homogeneous differential equation. Now how to solve? Solve means, now this is your equation 1. Put y equals to dx. Put y equals to dx. So dy by dx equals to v into 1 plus x dv by dx. So this implies v plus x dv by dx equals to this function x cos y by x, y sin y by x whole into y divided by y sin y by x minus x cos y by x is 2x. Okay, then in place of y you put vx, so you are getting only lengthy, it is not so difficult. This implies v plus x dv by dx equals to x cos y by x, vx by x plus y is vx sin Vx by x whole into y means Vx I am writing here divided by y means Vx sin Vx by x minus x cos Vx by x whole into x. Okay, this cancelled, this is cancelled. What it? Now look, x is common. If you take x common, cos v plus v sin v into v. Why v? And this x is also cancelled. This v is there. Divided by again x common v sin v minus cos v. This x is gone. Okay, now separation. Separation means if you look at this part, x dv by dx cos v, if I multiply that will be v cos v. V cos v plus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v minus v. What is that minus v? This v I have taken that side. So LCM v sin v minus cos v. This is v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v. Little congested, try to see, or I will write from here, just a minute, which is equal to v sin v minus cos v. This is v cos v, v square sin v. This will be multiplied here, minus v square sin v plus v cos v. This is cancelled. So it became 2v cos v. X dv by dx equals to 2v cos v, v sin v minus cos v. This will go that side. So implies v sin v minus cos v by v cos v. I have kept that 2 here, so it will be easy for us to divide. Then equals to 2 times dx by x. dv is here. Okay, then what do you get? When you are getting simplification, v by sin v by v cos v. Cos v by v cos v dv equals to 2 log x. Constant I write in the next line. This v is cancelled. So 10v dv. Cos is cancelled. 1 by v dv equals to 2 log x. Let's write log c because everything is coming in log. This is log sec v minus log v equals to log x square, you can write, plus log c. 2 will go here, log x square. Then what will you get? Log a minus log b, log sec v by v, log x square into c. The log is gone. Sec v by v equals to x square c. D is equal to what? Y by x. V is equal to y by x. So sec y by x by y by x equals to x square c. That implies sec y by x is y by x into x square c. 1x is cancelled. So sec y by x equals to yxc. This is our answer. Okay. So little bit vary, depends upon where you are adding the log c. So we'll continue this tomorrow again.